Hello children, I am Praveen Khan Shukla from Christchurch Convent Higher Secondary School and I welcome you in our digital classes. This video is for class 7th, subject is English, and today we will start our lesson 2, that is a new idea of good manners. Okay? So we have our lesson 2, that is a new idea of good manners. Okay, my dear children, it's a drama. Okay, means drama means dialogues are there. Okay, means the character of the drama, they are talking each other, delivering the dialogues. Okay, so let's start, and it is a drama of three friends and their discussion about good manners. Okay, so just have a look. Dear children, I have posted the picture of your book, okay, so that you may not confuse. Okay, as you can see that this is your first page of your chapter, lesson 2, a new idea of good manners. Okay, and that page you can see in your book also. Okay, and while watching this video you must open your book so that you can cross check it and you can easily understand the explanation. Okay, so just read out. The town high school has just opened this morning after the long summer vacation. Ravi and Anand are in 7th class. Ravi spent his vacation at a village. Anand spent almost almost all of it in the town. He went away for a few days to see his uncle. They have just met a new boy in the school. His name is Ashok. Okay? He has just he has just joined the school and is almost a stranger to them. Okay, so as you can see that the drama starts with the introduction that there are three friends and two of them are well known to each other, but the another one named Ashok, he is new to them and he is new in the school also. So in the starting, as it is said that the school are now opened after a long vacation of summer, and Ravi and Anand both are very good friends. They read in 7th class and they are meeting inside the school premises. Okay, and both are means discussing about their summer vacations. Ravi spent his summer vacation in a village, means he has gone to a village, but Anand spent all his vacations in the town itself. Okay, uh, he also went, but only for few days to see his uncle. Okay, now there is a new boy named Ashok. Okay, he has just joined the school and he don't know about anything about the school and the town and everything. Okay, so in the school premises, Ravi and Anand met Ashok, and what the discussions that will go on, that we will see. Now, Ravi says to Ashok, I have never seen you before. I believe you are a stranger to this school. Are you a new boy? Now Ashok is replying to Ravi. Yes, I am. And I am joining class 7th. Which class are you in? Okay, means Ravi, when Ravi asked Ashok about that if you are a new boy to the school, because Ravi doesn't see him before. Then Ashok replies and says, yes, I'm new to the school, and he also wants to know the class in which Ravi is studying. Now Ravi replies, I am in 7th class too. My name is Ravi and this is my friend Anand. He introduced one of his friend Anand. He is standing before him. And he answers that he too studies in class 7th. Okay. Now Anand, I am very glad to see you, Ashok. How are you? Ashok answers, I am fine, thank you. But excuse me, are you also in the 7th class? Now Ashok wants to know to Anand. Okay? He asks a question to Anand that if he too belongs to class 7th. The answer of Anand is yes. Okay? Now Ravi says, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you that. Have you had a look at our school, Ashok? Then Ravi says sorry to Ashok that he didn't introduce one of his friend Anand to him, and meantime he asked a question that whether he had taken a tour of the school. Now, next page. Now the reply of Ashok, no, I haven't yet, but I would very much like to. Shall we go to the library and have a look at the books? Now here Ashok replied to Ravi that he didn't make any round to the school and he wanted to take one. Okay, but as he didn't have any company or any friends with whom he could go, that's why he couldn't do this. Now he got an offer from Ravi and Anand, so Ashok was agree to go for the round of the school, and he wanted to go first the library and wanted to see the books. Now next, Anand. Anand says, yes, why not? Means Anand too was agree to go to library. All three go to the library. Now Anand says, ours is not a very big school, so this isn't a very big library. Okay, means according to Anand, the school is not as big as the other ones, so it may be possible that their library seems very small. The Ravi says, but it is a good one. It has many interesting story books. Okay, Ravi added about, and he tells about his their library that it has a good books of stories. Ashok says, are there some plays too? Plays means book of drama. Okay, as I told you that this is a drama. Okay, because you can see here that the dialogues are there, and these are the characters like Ashok, Anand, Ravi. These are the characters and they are delivering the dialogues between them. So this is a drama. So here Ashok is asking for the books related to dramas. Okay. Now Ravi replied, yes, there are. I read one last year, but I didn't like it. It was a bit dull. Okay. Ravi replied that yes, there were some books related to dramas also, but it was not interesting for Ravi. Okay, because he read some of the dramas book, but he couldn't find them interesting but dull. They were all dull for Ravi. Ashok asked again a question. Do you like to watch a play? Ravi replies, I am very much like to watch plays, but I can't stand reading them. Storybooks are very dull. Okay, so Ravi is very strict with his answer that he liked to watch the plays, but reading of storybooks or dramas book, it is it looks very dull for him. Okay. Now Ashok, but would you like to act in a play? Ravi, not very much, but Anand would love to. Okay, means Ashok asked Ravi if he is interested in a play in the stage, on the stage, but Ravi denied that he is not interested in doing so, but he said that Anand would love to do this. Now Anand, yes, I like acting very much. I am always ready to act if I am asked to. There isn't anything dull about acting. Those big fat books are a bit dull, perhaps, but acting is not. So Anand gave his views and he told that he liked acting. Okay, but he too didn't like to read out the books of plays or dramas because they were very fat books and all means all these books were very dull for them. Okay. Ashok again asked a question, what are they? Ravi, they are dictionaries. May I ask a question? So first Ashok asked about some books which are kept there, and Ravi replied them that they are the dictionaries and wanted to ask a question. Ravi said yes. Ravi, do you know how to use a dictionary? Means Ravi is asking to Ashok about the use of dictionary. Now Ashok replies, my grandmother taught me how to use a dictionary 2 years ago. I have been using one ever since. Ashok replied and he told Ravi that he was taught by his grandmother about the use of the dictionary 2 years back, and he has been using the dictionary since then. Okay. Now Anand, that's good. When I read a book, I sometimes want to look up the meaning of new words in the dictionary, but very often I feel lazy and decided not to. It means Anand said that he goes for reading a book, and definitely there are some tough words which are not easy to get understood. So we must take the help of dictionary. But Anand found him very lazy to do so. Okay, he didn't want to find any word because in dictionary to find out a word is a very tough job. Okay, but nowadays we are using Android phones. We have a digital dictionary, so it doesn't take any time. But if you go to the book, dictionary book, then you have to find out a word by letter. Okay, so it is very tough and it is a lazy work for Anand. Ravi, but suppose you are writing and don't know how to spell a word, would you look it up then? Now Ravi asked a question to Anand that suppose you are writing something and you don't know the spelling of a word, now what you will do? Now it is an obligation for you that you have to find out the spelling of the word in the dictionary. So what is the reply of Anand? Then I would have to look the word up. If I spell word wrongly, my writing will be full of mistakes and I don't like it. Then he said that then he would go for the dictionary because he don't want to make any mistake. If he don't know the spelling of the word, he may write the word wrong and it will be full of mistakes. So he don't want to do any mistake. Ravi said, you are right, we don't like to make any mistake. Okay, this is all about the second page of your chapter. The last one, Ashok said, and we don't make mistakes if we are careful. We must not make mistakes for two reasons. Firstly, it shows that we are lazy, and secondly, it is also bad manners. Here Ashok advises his friends that we always try to avoid to do mistakes. We must be careful for it. Okay, and he has given two reasons for avoiding the mistakes. First, it shows that we are lazy, and second, it is also a bad manners, one of the bad manners. Okay, now Anand says, what have manners to do with making mistakes? Okay, Ravi answers, perhaps Ashok is right. The most important thing about good manners is that they please people. Our mistakes make readers unhappy. Okay, Ashok explains that, Ravi explains Anand that Ashok is right. Okay, we always try to follow the good manners and they make us please before the people, and our mistakes make the readers and others unhappy. Okay, now Anand says, look, there is a headmaster, and they see that the master is heading towards them. Okay, now the entry of headmaster is there. Headmaster, he says hello to the boys and asks, how are you? Do you like new school? Ashok, headmaster asked a question to Ashok. As he is new to the school, the headmaster asked about his liking towards the school. Ashok replies, yes sir, I have met Anand and Ravi and they both have been friendly to me. They have made me feel at home in a new place. They are taking me round to the school. Ashok replies, and he shows his interest towards the school. He also informed the headmaster about his friendship with Ravi and Anand, and he also informed that they were taking him to the round of their school headmaster. That's very fine. It's nice to be friendly to strangers. Where are you going next? After listening this, headmaster appreciated the initiative taken by Ravi and Anand, that they have become the friends of a new boy, and the boy is a stranger to the school, and he wanted to know that where next they are going or they are planning to go. Ravi says, sir, we will show Ashok our science laboratory in the school museum next. Okay, so Ravi tells the headmaster that next they will go to science laboratory and school's museum. So it is all about the story. Okay, it shows that we always follow the good manners. We always try to avoid the mistakes, and for recovering from our mistakes or to mend our mistakes, we should not be lazy. Okay, So this is all about the chapter. We will send you the question and answers. Have a look. Thank you. We will meet in our next video. Till then, thank you.